Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear.
G'day everyone, welcome to my first day of a 24-day epic video upload, I guess, for YouTube. I'm doing the 24 Days of Christmas by Beechworth Breweries. I'll put a picture up so you can see that. You probably can't see it too well. I'm basically doing a advent calendar made by Bridge Road Breweries in Beechworth. What a tongue twister. And I'm basically doing a video every day for 24 days leading up to Christmas. These guys have created this calendar. They don't know I'm doing this. I've never talked to them or asked them for any favours or anything like that. I'm just doing it on the cuff, just for the fun of it, because I've seen other guys do it, and I'm happy to do it for you guys if you are interested. So the first one, as you saw, I opened her up. It's a Akasha Mosaic Pale Ale. As you can tell, they are sharing other companies as well. They're making sure that they support all Australian companies, and I'm all for that. So this is an independent company in New South Wales. We'll open the can. That phone, every time. Straight away, got a waft of hops coming up through. It's a pale ale, so it's got a, it's like a craft ale. Hopefully they're not all going to be ales. I've been saying to you guys that I'm going to stop doing ales or pale ales and start doing more lagers and things like that. I've got a glass. All the other ones are broken. This one's a little bit dirty. Bear with me. I have been working, so this is why it's night time. You can hear the birds tweeting. They're not tweeting at the moment. So there's my beer. Very highly carbonated. Looking really clear, actually. Nice looking beer. Not too bad. Give it a little bit of a tap to get the bubbles off the side. But yeah, it's not too bad looking. Clear, clean. Hop smell's got mosaic in it, of course. That's why it's called a mosaic. I don't know much about what's in it, but it's a new can. I've just opened it, and I've never, like I said, I'm opening them up on the day, and they're cold. They've been in the fridge. On the can, it says, a shining melon and stone fruit core of flavour alleviates mosaic to the sublime, with a lean malt profile bringing the virtues of hops to the fore. Ending in a moderately bitter finish, it's an Indian pale ale most worthy of the tribute. akashabrewing.com.au. This is an award-winning company in New South Wales. I did look them up quickly, and this is a beer. I'm smelling definitely a bit of melon smell. Hardly any, a little bit of citrus, but not overly. Now let's taste it. I'm getting a malt upbring as well. It smells very dry, a bit drier than usual. And a bit of sweetness too. I'm not sure if it is sweet though. So just looking at it, it doesn't look like it has a lot of proteins in it. So the head retention is not that great. So have a taste. Oh, that's good after a hot day. Yeah. Oh, it's quite sweet. More than I thought. Okay. I am getting that stone fruit melon taste. More stone fruit than melon. Very clean flavour. Strange flavour. Really nice. Really nice. Still haven't found a beer I don't like yet. Well, I have. I mean, rye beers. Yeah, I'm sorry, Mike, but rye beers, you know. If you know who Mike is, he's from Bit of Reality Brewing, and he likes rye beer, which is awesome. I also don't like rye whiskey, which I learnt very quickly. Anyway, back to it. Very good. That's good beer. Very sweet though. I never thought it would be sweet. That's a surprise. But, you know, 24 days of Christmas countdown. They're all going to be a bit of a surprise. Look at that. See how it clouded up now? So I've got the yeast off the bottom now, which is awesome. Gives it a bit more flavour. Don't mind the yeast flavour. The stone fruit flavour is there. It's got even a slight smoky taste to it. I don't know what that is, but it must be something to do with the yeast. That's a good beer. Alright. This is how my brews are going to go. These are how my videos are going to go. They're going to be quick. I don't want to make them too long because basically I'm going to just tell you about my day and drink beer and just tell you what it tastes like and go to the next day. So that's how it's going to be. It's Wednesday the 1st of December, and we're on to a rockin' start with a great beer. This is beer number 1 from Beechworth's Advent Calendar. There are 24, and we're going to go through them all. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for being part of this. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.